But this I can say as his lawyer. He is innocent, and because of that, he has been made the poster boy of political persecution in our country today. And that is why, to represent those who are actually downtrodden, to represent those who are abused, he decided to join the political race in order not only to give voice to all those who are victims of the weaponization of the law, but also to advance what he believes to be the best for our country. Kaya nga, akin po kayong nire-request from the bottom of our hearts. Hindi na po tayo mag-atubiling suportahan si Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. Siya po ay pastor, ako po ay isang Muslim. Balik Islam po ako sa lahat po ng ating mga kapatid na Muslim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.